Um, Today I'm going to show you how to use the dhis2 translation server. It's quite simple. Just a few things you need to keep in mind. First, just navigate over to translate.dhis2.net. That's the URL. You'll see there if you don't have an account on the server, you need to register. So just click on the register button. You can put in any username that you like that isn't already taken, so I'll just put in test4, test5. You need to give an email address. And a password. It should not be the password for your email, but just a password for the server. And type the password again. Press register. It's going to ask you a CAPTCHA question, so just give the answer. Alright, you should see that registration is complete. Please check your email. So go back to our email. You should see a registration email from something called Poodle Registration. That's the name of the application that we're using. And to activate your account, just follow this link. So click on that link. It should say that your account is activated. You can now proceed to log in. We'll go ahead and log in with the username that we just created, test5, and the password. You can also select your interface language here if you like. First thing you want to do is add your projects. So we'll say, click on this link, no languages or projects selected. Here we can decide what the interface language should be. In my case, it's going to be English. Let's see, English United Kingdom. Here you can indicate the languages to which you're going to translate to. In my case, I'm going to say French. And then the projects. We have a number of projects here. dhis2 is the main application. dhis2 documents and the dhis2 mobile client. I'm just going to work on dhis2, so I'll select that. Press save. You should see now that you have the language and the project which you indicated that you're going to work on. We'll click on dhis2, and now we see some statistics here that tell us basically how many words need to be translated in each of the modules of dhis2. We can start drilling down to the folders here and see what needs to be done. So click on dhis web and we'll click on portal. You can also click on the number of words which need to be translated, and this will bring you directly to the words which need to be translated. So in this case, I'll just type a translation for his poem page, which I don't really know what it is because I don't speak French, but let's just say that it's his poem page in French, whatever the translation is. I'm not going to save this, but you want to be sure that after you finish the translation, you press submit. You can also add a comment if you would like, maybe if a string is not clear or if the translation is fuzzy, you may want to also tick this box. Once you finish the translation and you press submit, you can go on to the next one simply by pressing the next button, and this is going to lead you to the next string which needs to be translated. You can just go ahead and type in the translation. One thing to keep in mind is if there is the same word, say in French and in English, there's no need to retype or to translate the string. You should just leave it blank. Okay, so that's about it. Once you've finished, then just be sure to press submit, and eventually your changes will be incorporated into the main code of DHS. While I'm here, I just want to give you a few heads up. There are some strings like this that should not be translated. These indicate some formats that are used by dhis2 to format certain things in the application, and they're common for all languages. So if you see something like this that doesn't look like it needs to be translated, then you should just leave the translation blank. Okay, that's about it. Thanks.